The greatest love story of all time, Romeo and Juliet. In the town of Verona in Italy there were two rich families, the Capulets and the Montagues. There was a daughter Juliet in the Capulets family, who was 14 years old, and a son, Romeo, in the Montagues family, who was 16 years old.
You are welcome, gentlemen. Come, musicians, play. A hall, give room and footed girls. More light in stairs and turn the lights up. And quench the fire, the room is ground to hot. Feel at home. Everybody, dance!
My lips, the blushing pilgrims, ready stand to smooth that rough touch, to the tender kiss.
Good pilgrim, withdraw your hand too much. Which manly devotion shown is this? For saints have hands that pilgrim hands do touch, and the palm to palm is only palm's kiss.
Have not saint lips to holy palms stoop.
I, pilgrim, say you do not move pride's sake.
Then move not, while my praise effect I take.
That do not move that pride's sake.
Oh, trespass, sweetly urged, give me my sin again.
I have to go out, sorry.
The end of the story was sad. Two families stopped their fighting forever, but it was too late, because Romeo and Juliet killed themselves. So be kind, appreciate each other, and save your love.